right, we live? We live? Back live? Let's see. Think so. Think we rolling. What's going on? YM. Yes, sir. All right, and I think we're rolling now. What's up? What's up? What's up, brother? Fucking YouTube, bro. Ultra low latency. First one, I don't think so. Can't tell. This updated pretty live here for me, but we're ready to roll, man. Ready to go. How are you doing? I had to exit it and come back. So for this one, you are the first one. Yo, first one. What's up, brother? What's he? Did he sleep? I don't know when he sleeps, man. When does that guy actually sleep? Dude doesn't need sleep. He's right. Money does not sleep. I mean, chilled out a lot after that pump up we had. You know, try to catch the shorts in the wrong grand scheme. I think our retest level was 570 in the ES, and even NQ 500 really held like 3 times already. Slowly shifting structure to the downside. What's up? What's up? What's up, John? You doing, brother? Slowly shifting, and we're gonna. I have now that we're up in this account like close to 17K. I have like 1,000 daily loss limit on it. I'm just gonna roll with that. Start the size off with just the regular good news 2 contracts here. Might size up depending on how it looks. How'd y'all have your rest of the day going on? I think it's so I printed. We made a lot of money off those SPY puts. Things like up like 10K. So I took off on them this morning. Yeah, I got filled this morning, and then at the moment, our Nvidia was doing really well here recently, right? 139. Nvidia's chilling up 12%, and then Tesla's still sitting down 8%. But because those SPY puts came into play, man, we're chilling. And other than that, I took a little L trying to short the market here. Bearish was my my bias. Got destroyed, and I really didn't like the levels we had because like off that rally post FOMC, man, there was like nothing for me there, but. Zone count to 4 from 6 to scalping. I like that. For ES or NQ or like both of them? Or both of them. Which one just NQ, right? NQ and ES right now is what we'll be watching, guys. What we'll be watching. Usually I like NQ better for scalping, right? It didn't fully fill the gap on the VIX as well. Coming into market might still pump because of that, but we'll see. It slowed down a lot. I'll wait till like around 330, 350 is when it really picks up. We'll see what happens there. Volume has been picking up a little bit. Just tiny little sell-off. Not really, but just been respecting that NQ. Okay. Yeah, NQ, yes, is what we're both be watching for at the moment. Let's see what NQ's got up to date here. Yeah, I got the imbalance stack here on NQ at the 6s, and I don't get any fake outs, especially for scalping with NQ on the 6s here. I really like it. Like for example, I'm going to be watching like a breakdown here of this buy imbalance we had. Makes a sell sign bounce into it, that'll be my risk. We'll just play it off like that, but VIX still has a little bit of ways to roll. Market is just chopping around. Let's see if we can play a move outside of this. See, I had a very strong bearish bias today. I mean, it is the end of December, right? But moves have been great. Oh, my bad, my bad. I don't think I was close to it, and I actually can turn it up a little bit. There you go. Still in the talk about Apex or the prop course. It's still actually in the works. It's me just like kind of collecting data really from this year, putting everything into one place and like trying to define how I played Apex this year. Because it was really, really successful. Maybe there's better ways to do it, and that's why I'm getting the data, right? Because like next year I'll do it again and change some things up, and then we'll start to look at it. Because it's only coming from a year's worth of prop from data, right? Which is not a lot in the grand scheme of things. It's really not a lot. Yeah. Bet. Joshua. Weird not seeing Dork there. Really? They can't see it? I can see it when I open her up. my YouTube channel. Interesting, I didn't know that. Could watch myself. Oh yeah, this one isn't on there actually. No, it's on there. Usually when I open up my channel, like it just comes up with this and it just sits right there. Feeling the shorts, man, too. Feeling the shorts. AMD or for longer term or a shorter term here? What are we thinking? What are we thinking? Do like the move down. I want to wait to see if I can get that imbalance confirmation. Long or short term, the AMD. AMD's been a fucking nasty little one recently. It's been getting flooded, man. It's hurting. It's hurting. Still got a ways to go. It's still, I mean, I wouldn't want to mess with that right now. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's been nasty recently. Is that the same account, Dork, you're trading from earlier? Or another one? AMD. Are you trying to get in trying to hop in some longs in AMD? Is that what I'm hearing? Third. Okay. VIX wants to fall back down. Bulls might be coming into a move here. ES is safer on the bull side with 75. 10, it's a lot. Risk. Chop is pretty annoying though. I feel like it'll definitely give us a movement here. Close to close. Away from AMD. You short AMD. That's the move apparently. That's the move. I want my Tesla to recover too. Already averaging a little bit more. So 20, it's not bad. Not bad. Like quick 2 bands and we'll be almost done today. That'd be awesome. Recently, there's been a decent bit of sellers here in this consolidation. Been seeing a lot of selling and not much else going on though. Sellers are mostly, and I mean it's a decent size range, like 87. It's like a 10-point range, and like the sellers are kind of everywhere. So not really getting absorbed, getting stopped. They're kind of just there, and they have taken over the buyers though. Could be absorption, kind of like in the 79 to 80s, because it's pretty dead volume right now. I could see that. I could definitely see that. Man, I just can't wait for January to pull up. It's weird thinking that. Inauguration coming in as well. Wonder what's gonna go on with that. Been weird times. Definitely been really weird times, especially like the end of the year. Super weird, man. Not quite sure what's going on with everything, but it's been a ride, that's for sure. And Q maybe wait for like 510 break. Would be a bad idea. Yeah, still don't look too bad. Yeah, we did break the sell imbalance, then we're just consolidating right around it. We had it like what, 82s? Yeah, 82s. Probably leaning more towards NQ though. We'll see. We will see. Really would like just like breaking like these 7.5s and then buying balance like 2.2s. Should be a decent little move. If it wants to go to the downside. If not, I'm okay with playing the upside here. If the rest of this gap the VIX has to fill all the way down to like the 16s could make us a pretty nice move. Volume is slow. It's very slow. It picks up around like 330, 350 is when it really goes crazy. Shit's really dead right now. Bull flag. We need that momentum, movement to scalp these moves. Retracted. Flagular pattern. I don't really pay attention to too many patterns. Or any patterns at all, really. The Wyckoff method, if you consider that a pattern. It's interesting. Very interesting, that's for sure. I don't know what y'all think about that. Oh man, it's dead, isn't it? I don't want to do nothing. Sellers are building up here. The thing from the open, man, like that move down had a lot of just buyers behind it. Something that I did not like to see. We're not really okay. Now we're at like the basically that demand we broke on like the 27th. That where this is where we're consolidating, where we tried the short off of. These are my long-term investments have been holding me up here. Y'all can't see everything else I have on here. I forgot. Oh, actually, ES doesn't look bad either. Might have lied about prioritizing the Qs here. Yeah, the three. Look how crazy the three stacks I've been looking at in Q recently. Like, unmessable with that. And it didn't used to look like that. It used to be clean actually. So, all right, bulls might still want to be doing their thing. Especially like we'll see. I'll watch the VIX starts making it a new low here, filling up that gap. I think that might be the move. We follow them up. Wait for an imbalance to be made, or like definitely hold above this resistance. The shorter term one, not the high we made here. Even though that level would be pretty nice. Yeah, the VIX is definitely looking like it's gonna want to fall into that gap. It's gonna like fully finish at like the 15.90s, 15.9. Wait to see how this close looks. Not many buyers actually, as we're up here on the ES. And Q found a little bit. I would prefer shorts just because that was my bias for the day, but I'd like it. I'm feeling it a little bit up here. Was wrong twice already though. Volume's slowly dying back out. Move up and then increase almost a delta on the 8,000. Not bad. Just this one candle here, neutral candle. What is this? Q. Yeah. Did not like that. Come on, brother. Yeah. Yeah, a break of that one. The four stack here. Yeah, if you go to the three right now, it's heavy there. It's very heavy. Nothing on six. Yep. ES is doing the same. See, these candles are just not nice. Which one is that one? Hey, what's this candle? 205? Oh, of course. It should hopefully start making some moves like 330, 350. Gonna see if anything would happen here a little bit before, but not really. Buyers are really struggling on the ES though, like up here. Not really seeing much action. Yeah. I'm liking the move down for sure. Just that VIX gap is a little tricky. Okay, we're close to 17K. So not bad, man. Maybe like 500 last week, but we should not have traded. I'm doing the challenge account. Here it is on the NQ. Sell and balance. See if it holds. We could try it out. It gets filled right away for me. With the yes. Nah. Didn't want it. It didn't want it. It did not want the smoke. She was not ready for it. Yeah, account will be a nice trophy, man. Who knows how much I can get it up to? So NQ, open it back up. Let's see. It didn't hold the fill, but I like the sellers here. I mean, waiting to break those 110s could be smarter, but yeah, the imbalance wasn't there for me to play it. Maybe the book map gave me something. No, sellers got eaten out. It's probably the wrong word to use there. They got the sellers hit buy offers, passive buyers, and took all of them out. Let's see if it comes back and falls below. Be a pretty good sign. ES is really not finding many buyers up here. Fix is trying to respect the floor. Well. That shit's pretty slow though. 322, give me something. Looking here, I mean, the bounce was formed, got filled right away, and like it hit these passive buyers here that did eat up all those sellers. Which is what I think that's what he's holding the ES. So there's a lot of passive buyers sitting here. So it falls back down to these 22s and 20s. There's not many more passive buyers sitting there. If it gets met with the same aggression. Look at the ES shorts this time. Like 330, 350 is when it really starts to get crazy. Really starts to get crazy. Kind of like the open, but like even crazier sometimes. Especially on futures. Bounce off the reversal. Yeah, not much really right now. Fortunately. See if it keeps going. Weekly chart, 15 minutes better. Yeah, I'm back almost to where we were selling off hard pre-market, right? Crazy volume. Yeah. Coming back into it, let's see. Just want something fast. Volume's still iffy, bro. 255. Died out a little bit there. I mean, I definitely am still liking it. I like try one on the ES here and like add into it, or if it comes breaks below or gives me an imbalance. Just because the invalidation is not bad. Like the sellers and Q is pushing down to that level that we want to see break. Way below. What's that? 84, 375. Another candle opens up right away. It did get meet with some more passive buyers there, but that 810 that we're coming into acting as a nice little floor. The VIX still has not made up its mind. Probably like the ES better now, to be honest, since we're not seeing any imbalance being formated. Could see if 330 picks up, to be honest. All right, there we go. There's one on the ES. Held pretty fast. Not 3, go away. See if this wants to hold for me. Yes, if not, we'll just close out automatically. Hold, yes, hold. One did come up here. First attempt today, guys. Let's see what it wants to do for me. Did it come back and fill with a quick hop out? Honestly, the invalidation isn't even that bad up there. It ain't bad at all. Did fill it right here. Small risk, so we'll see, because some sellers did hop in. Discretionary here, but I do see it come up or any buyer step up here on the book map, I'll just get out. I do not want that imbalance to get filled, but it could still keep falling. Yeah. Let's see if he'll get me out of this low. If it wants to. Like 3 minutes should start getting a little crazy. Risk is protected though. You want to continue. Let's see any resistance down here. Also, we can hop out because it's about to go crazy. This last low, it had that volume in here, so if volume picks up into this, should hold lower. The VIX doesn't look too bad. Yeah, VIX is showing us some good moves. There's another sell imbalance here. It got canceled right away though. Didn't make that new low. We'll honestly try to automatically exit this when we see something. If it wants to have that 330 crazy move, maybe. Buyer. Buyer should just go away. Let's see how it acts at that low. Come on, baby. Got 2 minutes left. 350 is when it starts going crazy. Yeah, I see that. We're into 2 here, so nothing too nuts, right? NQ would have been a banger, but I saw the inbounce first on the ES there, just came up right away. I liked it. Almost okay here. See if they continue, and I will get out. Yeah, it's dumping, pump and dump. Now it goes for the dump. Jesus Christ. How loud that is, bro. No, I'm just letting it go. I'd rather just trim both of them, just re-enter when I'm scalping like this. If I see like any buyer stuff up here, I'll just get out of both of them and then re-enter or see another imbalance be made if we break that floor. Because like it's a different kind of look here for me. So I just all in done on me. I haven't been leaving runners recently on this account. I like where the volume is stacked down here too. A minute left. Probably not a bad idea though. I haven't really thought about that side of it just yet. Still seeing decent strength here though. See if it goes into the low. Okay, 330 just hit. All right, oh shit. All right, I'm gonna take some profits there, and then if it breaks down the floor again, I'm gonna hop in again. Hopping in again. This is just 2. There we go. Let's see. Saw a little bit of buyer stuff, but thanks, brother. Thank you. Breaks down below. I'm definitely interested in trying this one more time. Honestly, you could just ride one contract now to see if we can get to that 1K mark, bro. Scalping those imbalances has been coming in clutch. See it pump back up. 350, I guess, is when it's gonna go crazy, huh? Is that what it wants? I'm gonna wait to see if a break here. Another sell imbalance being made. Why shorts? This is more of my bias here. Our entry was that sell imbalance, right? What we've been doing pretty much for this whole account challenge. Just been scalping the tape. So it's mostly just off the orders I'm seeing coming in and out of the market. Got one contract selected now. How's the NQ looking? It was a sell imbalance there. We're also buying the Q. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Try to see maybe it breaks here. I'm definitely about it again. If I see some sellers come in. Okay. As long as it's not a quick rejection. I think he looks good too, but running one contract here. Okay. Don't need to rush anything, especially it's not even 350 yet. Okay, seller right there got rejected a little bit. We're at major, like very, very strong, right? Support down here. Kind of why I don't want to short into it. I want to wait a little bit to see. As you can see, it is acting as major support, but I mean, seller step in, we'll have no issues breaking this. No issues. It's the short I wanted. Just start being a full-time scalper, bro. Why does this seem easier? Yeah. Or another inbound coming in here would be nice. If it wants to kindly do that. It's pretty big resistance cells. Chill. No, I really back tested it, man, to be honest. It's literally not even, I can't even really put much of it into words. It's just because I've been like, you look at something for so long, just like little things, I don't know. It's mostly just really off the tape, and I'm trying to get really quick moves. And like, since I'm really scalping, like, I'm going to follow the seller so I see a buyer, and same thing on the other side. Then, usually before those big aggressive moves, you see like large orders coming in and out of the market, and that's kind of what I'm trying to follow. And then I'm kind of been using the imbalances for my risk really, but for this one, like our invalidation level was pretty close, so it's like might as well let it ride. And that was something that I changed up like in the moment. There's this, and Q did just make. Okay, it filled a passive buyer there, but it's a pretty big seller in Q, but hit a pretty big wave of passive buyers and well, not above. Let's chill. Yeah, definitely chill. Solid balance in the NQ as well, those 482s. Let's see, we sell below this. I'm using the book map now for this. Because NQ is going down below that 460 or 465. That's what the buyer was, and he's gone. So another big seller hits that level. Just didn't move price down. This not still looking for the best retracement here. What time is it? 3:34. Okay. I'm using minis. 2 minis. Now I'm at one because we made a little bag. So 2 minis in that. I need like $1,000 in your account to trade 2 minis on Ninja Trader. That is. The VIX did shoot up pretty significantly off of that. Very neutral candle right here. Yeah. 5K to 1K. And that sell and balance is still sitting there in Q at the 42s, but I still like the move down, to be honest. We're going to give it a try here. Keep it kind of really tight. Solid big seller at the bottom there. I know y'all see him at that tick. Let's see if he gets followed through. We're literally in one contract now, so we're protected pretty well. And I'm watching to see if we get bought back up above like the 72s. We can hop out. We're sitting where the seller was. Like if he moved down from there, we're chilling, but not. We're gonna get bought back up. This is exactly where the seller is, right back to the 70s. Seller's still sitting there. I like the break. I know you want to, bro. Should just wait for 350. This one contract roll. Let her roll. The sellers are stacking down here, man. Come on. Shoot down. Unless we start to seeing some sell side absorption. On ES is trying to stack little by little here. I mean, the volume of the candle isn't great, but that's why it's decent selling pressure here. Don't let it rip yet. Just need a little bit. Give me a little bit. The 63s. Even the 63s. No, it doesn't want it. It doesn't want it. It don't want it. As soon as it goes back above the buyer, I'm out. And Q don't want it. Yes, don't want it either. I like the volume on the bottom end of this candle here. We only took one contract, so volume whole gap. Oh. Interesting. Looking a little sketchy now, but since we're on one contract, I'm gonna wait until we go back above those buyers, and if we go above them, I'm gonna hop out. Look a little sketchy from the sellers here because they're coming through, but they're not really pushing price down. So we're filling up all the passive buyers underneath this as well. So we're clearing the path here, clearing her out the way, but she might not want it. She might not want it. Or he, yes, my bad. Different terms here. Oh yeah. Big buyer, passive buyer in Q, 465. Let's see. Pretty big seller to fill it. Filled it. Come on, we're hitting that level, man. We're getting some sell side absorption here. Has to break through. Again, it's hitting it with sellers though, which is good. And we fill that big buyer at the in Q. We're hanging out below him. Sell me off. What time is it? It's not even 3:40 yet. They're trying, man. They're trying. Still just been teetering where we entered around our entry. Come on. You know you want to. You know you want to. I know they want to. Don't even got a cap. I know you want to. And Q's looking good too, but it's just not this sell. That's a big absorption. I'm not even seeing any more passive buyers. Sellers are just not wanting to move down below this level here. You know, the NQ isn't doing too bad. Got a lot of big offers being moved around. The algos are ready. They're preparing for that 350. They're preparing. Yeah. I did notice that after. So we're getting that consolidation here, huh? As soon as we go above those buyers, I'm gonna mark it on out. And out here, we're gonna get ready to load back in. How to get out once I saw the buyer. Yeah, and keeps chilling at VWAP. And it's a pretty big level where you've been getting respected. I saw the sellers there liked it. Didn't want to come into play. Hit a reversal only if we see imbalances here. Yeah, he came in. I'm also hopping again if you want to. NQ has that sell imbalance at 83s, which if it fills, longs do look pretty good. We can wait to see if you want to get in again. Very small loss compared to what we took though. Break even or trade. Smart. Never lose. I like the move now. Imbalance to help in the longs. There's the seller absorption, I guess, down there. Might have shifted it up for us. Buy imbalance in the NQ though. Gets filled right away. 98. I'm gonna wait to see it give me another one of these entries. 350 will be the move. Back to 2 contracts though now. Q's lying to us here, man. Q's lying. It is. I'm gonna get a 1 on the Qs here. Let's try the Qs break here at 342. Yes. Anything? Nope. Back below. Did respect the sell and bounce at these 482s. I want you. We'll do 1 on the Qs. So I like it. I like it. Still nothing being made though, fortunately. Reversal on the 3-sec at the bottom of the queue. You're gonna break. They fooled me with those sellers before, man, as they were building a floor here at these 68s. And the ES. Same thing with the NQ, really, but it's all over the place. It's all over the place, man. 7 more minutes. It's like we're waiting for the open here. 7 more minutes. Don't like this. So NQ is at view up right now, right? VIX is struggling. Let's see. Slow down again down here. The wicks, I do like to move down a little bit more though, to be honest. Following that. Jesus. Which way's 350 gonna go? Which way you taking me? You just keep seeing like dead volume every time we push into like these like 750 or 775 or 975 to like 7.8. Yes, this is much better validation now. I'll play like 2 off this. It'd be too bad. And Q for the move down though, it's calling me. Buy and balance on that Q. Doesn't look, it's not a strong one at all. Plus it's selling right at the 85, so I want to see us get rid of first. Yeah. So we'll start chopping back around here. Caught this move. See if we get something else like that. At 5 more minutes, it should start to pick up again. Pretty hard. Yeah. Q ain't liking that. Yeah. Start going crazy in a day. It's difficult to trade that. Stick with my 1 contract though. Don't get back any of our money. Should be at 70K now. Let's see what we got. 4 minutes. 350 is when everybody decides to go hop in and play. Hop in and play. Most of the time. What do y'all think? Down or up, man? Just take ES short and Q long. Love or lose. Possible. Yes, looks not that strong too. But it's just the absorption of sellers. We have this floor at 68 on the ES. Faked me out. Can work. Unless they both fuck you up. Those divergences every once in a while. Sometimes it's been hard this year, especially at the end of the year. And QS divergence. Tech's been going crazy, that's probably why. Come on, Q. Always work. Hmm. 3 minutes. Another big wave of buyers. 368 here. These passive players are important, man. They keep stepping in pretty significantly here, especially in Q. So most of these passive buyers getting filled. Could be like someone getting out though. Something to always note. Might play to the upside if I do see that this 45 imbalance break and hold. Don't want it to, but yeah, yes, I've seen some decent buyers. A minute 30 left here. Yeah. Q might be filling. Yes, seen some buyers. Decent buyers actually. And Q back in the imbalance. How'd it do? Which way you going? It's another wave like the 6/8s again on the Qs. They keep coming in. You ain't stopping. Yeah. Next minute or 54 seconds. There are the buyers. Might fill the imbalance here. Yes, looking decently strong. Volume picked up a good bit here. Decent bit of buyers on the yes as well. E and Q still not filling though. Yes is getting some moves. Getting some moves. Be too late. Yeah, probably. I'm only gonna be swinging one contract to protect our gains. If anything crazy happens. Took 2 trades. We made like 700 or something. Then we lost like 200. Second one. Here's the 350. Which imbalance side are you going towards, brother? Sell side being made here. I should just sit in this consolidation all day. First we'll buy side at the top. Again, we're still at this is the, or yes at least, but there's some resistance here. Oh yeah. Apex always got those deals. Go crazy. All the time. Does it want to be bought up? Is that what you want? Let's see if any imbalance comes in. Is it buy side? Yes, and the NQ. Holding up here. Let's see. If it made it, then it instantly went back into it. Yeah. Not sure, bro. Had a scalp video. Should. Well, I can make just this video on the strat of really what I'm using to read this instead of like the risk management portion of it because it's different with a small account. Still respecting the sell and bounce right there. Anything will fucking play one contract off a break. That's it. Still pretty dead. Volume picked up for sure, but no moves. No big moves. Price is very balanced. Current state. Still looks like it wants to move down, but wait to actually for it to happen. I'm guessing right here. And nope. Nothing. Let's see. We're gonna keep like 1,000 daily loss limit on the account, I think, no matter what. Throughout the days, unless we get like when we get over 20, I'll like double that or something. Over 20, I definitely make some more size. What you got for me here, bro? They're gonna be dead. A lot of sellers in an NQ, like up at this 21,500 that we're about to hit. There we go. Smacked it. Yes. Checked it off of it pretty fast. Made a buy and bounce and filled it right away. Bulls back in action. VIX is trying to move down. I don't know. Not quite sure on this. Bounce got filled. Definitely looking the top. I'm trying a challenge account. Took 2 trades already. We're looking to see if one more comes into play here. I'm still maybe liking the move down. We'll see. It's not doing too much on this move. Let's move up. I want to definitely wait for the floor though. Yeah. In a row, yeah, definitely. Might not be the case there, but once we get to like 20K, we'll definitely try to adjust for that. Just according to the new size. The new wave. Yeah, we didn't fill the sell bounce either. He went well above it, didn't fill it. Too frisky there, eh? Yeah, Quantar is great for footprint charts for sure. So if you have like a prop firm account, you can get it for free actually. You get like a week's worth of data. So of execution, if you have like an account with Rhythmic or like Top Step, and you can link it to Quantar. Every prop firm obviously you can get that free footprint charts for execution though, because you only get like a week's worth of data. Unfortunately, big seller hopped in there. We still have not been filling. This is whack. Still holding that selling balance. Such fast moves, man. Decent seller hopping in. Time is it? 54. I think the move down is going to come here. Selling balance made. See if it reverses. Oh, it filled it, but it's still looking not bad. This floor has been super heavy, man, at NQ and the ES. 355 candle goes in big. Sellers keep printing links below. No wick. And balance got filled, unfortunately, but this floor, man, what the hell? What are you doing? The lamest fucking power hour price action ever. It's the 5 minute right now. Bro, we haven't not had a day where this fucking price action was so lame, huh? Yeah, they did. I looked at that. Yes, giving no shits. It's trying to inch his way down, bro. It's trying his hardest. Okay, we're gonna trade off this imbalance here. On the Qs. Build it right away in the close, so right above those the sellers are gonna have to hop out. Last trader today. Probably. Especially if it pumps back up, it's gonna continue to be slow, but sellers did try to come in. Deck this as much as we can. Come on, keep them coming, man. I know you want to. I know it wants to. Just filled a buy order there, and it's hanging out below. Come on, Jenkins. Yeah, it did. Stop filling these offers, bro. Just keep falling for me, please. Keep falling, please. Stop clearing them. Buyers are trying to clear them out. I don't like it. Keep doing it. Yeah, that rally intraday. Now we have the close sell-off, huh? 357. Back to where we basically were here. Feeling those 450 sellers and going above them. I'll get out a tiny bit in the money because I don't like that. Don't like it. Volume's picking up down here though. 358. I like how we've been filling the passive buyers just like as of the last couple seconds and holding below them on that big move we made down. Well, the futures market isn't closed at 4. So we're chilling. Filled another big buyer. I'm gonna hang below and it's good, bro. Hang below and it's good. There we go. It's hanging. 320, 425, right? There's an imbalance there of buyers. We can try to exit out at. But we'll take the K though, not be greedy. Not another reoccurrence. I'll take that though. It could definitely still tank, but I've been doing this every time, man. I'm taking the K and I'm moving out. This is probably what you should target in. Close to the close, it could still tank like crazy. I had what I wanted. I had what I wanted though. So we took about 3 trades. We took this scalp on the break here in Q. We took this short here on the ES to down here, and then we got stopped out of this. Was this another short? Yeah, another short. And we got back up. So we're like almost at 18K now. So we're like super close to finishing the challenge. Yeah, we got to what, 1,500. Oh yeah. We got out. I don't know how much all delay is, but it could still definitely tank, man. I'm not interested. Not interested. Wasn't even a crazy amount of points, but 60. I mean, it wasn't bad, like 30 something. Yeah, that's how it's really been. I mean, today, all the trades we took, like NQ had the selling balance at 4, and we got filled right away. My risk would have just been right above it. Same thing we've been doing. Like we got out at this buying balance here. Really not being greedy is the key to growing these small accounts, because like, you know, it could have easily with this volatility just spiked up and just eaten up all the profits, right? I mean, it could also just spike down. And me not being greedy is probably the only reason why I'll be able to snack this up. But I took the first short off the ES off the imbalance. That also got filled. This one was ES. I was also there. It would have been really nice for this one. So the risk was there. The risk was there. We got stopped out down here on the ES of that trade. They snaked me, man. They snaked me. Oh yeah. Snaked me on the day. Yeah, you can join. I don't know. Probably be in like the YouTube description or something. You can join the free Discord. Not in the video description. I could probably be on there somehow. Might be posting this right there. Yeah. We'll get it from here. Say no. Let's just continue to tank. So the bears definitely were the, like, just the move. I mean, intraday, I mean, could have held those SPY puts a little bit longer, but right through VWAP, no hell. It just does not give a fuck. Right through VWAP. How many monitors? Well, I have like one ultra wide monitor. It's like 50 something inches, maybe 40. I don't know. It's pretty fucking wide. Then I have two on top of that. Yeah, these shorts will definitely come into play, man. I think there's like, I mean, that would have been a first TP level, and if you want to fucking hold, like, there's not much stopping it, to be honest, until we get to like what 56 is, something like that. But what I've been doing with this challenge is really not holding, like not being greedy. Like I see my profits, I take it, and then slowly stack it up like that. Because it's not a real, like it's not like my real account, right? It's not my real account. It's something new that I'm doing. I'm not really, well, not super new. You did the 1K to 10K challenge. This is the same account though. Fix popped up after that. Looking up, yeah. Yeah, I feel like eye level will be here, then like the bottom one's here. Nice, a good share though is definitely a good investment. Spend hours sitting here, bro. A good share is definitely the move. Yeah. Ultra wide ones, it's clutch. The ones that like curve, I really like those. But anyways, guys, we'll be back tomorrow. Obviously, the market's closed on Wednesday, New Year's. Hope you all had a good New Year's for the challenge. And you know, I'm gonna try to complete it tomorrow. We'll try. We're seeing at 18K. That's 18. We need two more, man. We'll try to complete it tomorrow if it gives us something. If not, obviously, I'm not gonna force it, but definitely try our best. Then into the New Year's, I'll start it again like 20K, and I'll try to get it up to 50K. But that one is gonna be a little different, I think, for sure. Maybe I just do the same thing and just size up. We'll see. Just playing it by ear, really. All right, guys. I'll catch y'all later. Good stuff. Appreciate y'all being here.